sometimes you may want to split the input records into two piles, those that meet the filtering condition and those that do not meet the filtering condition. Records that do not meet the filtering condition are called reject records, and the link to send those reject records is called reject link. This video will show how to create a data stage flow that processes reject records. First, let's create a data stage flow. Okay, as usual, give a data stage flow name. Then let's very quickly create our starting flow. Still select the same file, hide. Add 3 stages. Copy, filter, pick. And let's set the filtering condition as when the state equal to MA, then we will let this record to move through. We will also set output reject as true to support reject link. So this will be the primary link, meaning when the state equal to MA, record will flow into this link. Now, let's add the reject link. Leave as default. We will change the link type from primary to reject. So let's analyze what this is doing. This flow basically read a CSV file from project, copies the output, send to filter, apply a filtering condition. If the state equal to MA, send to the pick 1. For anything else, send to pick 2. So let's run this flow and say, how does it work? Okay, job finished successfully. So let's first look at pick 1. Pick 1, you will notice pick 1. You will notice that all pick 1 state equal to MA, state equal to MA, state equal to MA. The same for this record and so on. Let's look at the pick 2. For pick 2, state equal to North Carolina, state equal to PR, state equal to NJ, state equal to PR, state equal to RN, and so on. So what this test case prove is that with filter stage, data stage can split in the input records into 2 piles, one with the filtering condition satisfied, one with everything else treated as reject record. And we can write rejected record into different link. once the reject record is read to a different link, we can perform further processing on this rejected links. Thank you very much.